Hello, welcome to the SL Mind channel email program. Let's start with you. One of the numerous ways you can tempt or persuade your subscriber is by providing a well thought out and well written subject. The subject of an email is what is often referred to when a person or a recipient of an email decides whether he or she wants to open or read an email. The subject could easily be regarded as one of the most important aspects of your promotional email. Your subject must be short and concise. They should provide a summary for the content of the email so that the recipient will have basic knowledge of the content. This is really vital in grabbing the attention of your readers and subscribers. You want your subject to instantly grab the attention of your subscriber and get him to be intrigued to open up your mail. Remember, it is not necessarily true that a subscriber opens up subscribed mails. A good subject must always be tickling the curiosity of your recipient. It must literally force the recipient to open the mail. A certain emotion must be ignited and get him to open the mail. It is essential to use specific words to get the reaction you need. Keep in mind that the recipient or subscriber spends only a few seconds looking over each subject of the emails he receives. You must grab your reader's attention right away. There are many forms you can use for your subject. You can provide a subject that says your email contains content that teaches them tips and methods on certain topics. An example of this is using keywords and keyword phrases such as how to, tips, guides to, methods in, and others like that. You can also put your subject in a question form. These may include questions like, are you sick and tired of your job? Or, is your boss always on your case? Try to stay on the topic that pertains to your site so that you'll know that your subscribers have signed up because they are interested in that topic. This form of subject is very effective because they reach out to your recipient's emotions. When they have read the question on your subject, their mind starts answering the question already. You can also use a subject that commands your reader. Statements such as act now and get this once in a lifetime opportunity, or double, triple and even quadruple what you are earning in 1 year. This type of subject deals with the benefits your company provides with your product and services. You may also use breaking news as your subject to intrigue your subscriber. For example, if you deal with car engine parts, you can write in your subject, announcing the new engine that uses no gasoline, it runs on water. This creates curiosity with the reader and will lead him to open the mail and read on. How to get your subscribers begging for more just as an experiment. A friend of mine subscribed to 10 different opt-in email marketing lists to see which ones are effective. Many websites and online businesses have resorted to sending promotional materials to people who have subscribed to them in an effort to boost their sales or traffic. Opt-in email marketing sends newsletters, catalogs updates and many more promotional materials to website visitors who have agreed to be updated whether monthly, weekly or semi-annually. Through email, an internet user that is on the list will receive their updates through email. If a promotional material piques their interest, they will go to the site to learn more or to purchase outright. For the website operators or owners, this is a chance to remind their list of their existence and parlor their wares. With the numerous sites in the internet that offers the same products or services in one way or the other, the competition can get pretty tight and it is easy to be forgotten. Back to my experimenting friend, he tried to find out which opt-in marketing strategies grabbed a person into begging for more. Some would send in very simple fashion, some would very outlandish, while there are some that would just lie in between. The differences could easily be noticed, and some have gotten the idea of an effective opt-in marketing strategy. He dubbed him effective because he felt like he just couldn't wait to go their site and learn more. The more persuasive ones even got him halfway to reaching for his wallet and to his credit card before he realized this was only for an experiment. Many companies and sites present their promotional materials in a wide variety of concepts. Each has their own distinctive style and designs, but more than the outline and the presentation. The content and the articles are what keeps the attention of your potential customer locked onto your opt-in marketing medium. Creativity is the key here. From talking to many satisfied opt-in list subscribers and forums, I have learned of what is essential in opt-in marketing and what makes the subscribers begging for more instead of lining up to unsubscribe. Keep your promotional materials light, creative and original. Many people. Your promotional materials should be clear. Don't leave people guessing. You should lead them to you and not vice versa. Explain to them what they need to do in a manner that won't be confusing. Try to anticipate also what your target client needs. Do your research and information gathering. Many sites will be able to help you with that. Provide clear and crisp images of what you are offering. If the people know what you have for them, they are more likely to beg for more. For example, if you are selling a car, provide them photos but only enough to encourage them to go to your site for more. Can you really use articles to build your list? Getting customers in your site should always be ranked as high as the importance of the quality and the excellence of the product and the services you provide. They should go hand in hand in providing your customers the satisfaction they get in exchange for the money they have paid for them. Customer service should as well be as fantastic so that the customers are provided with the same satisfaction. One of the ways you can combine marketing and customer service is through opt-in marketing. With an opt-in list, you get the opportunity to introduce your site and products on a good time basis. Opt-in marketing strategy is a marketing strategy that is virtually low cost and not time consuming. Here, you get the consent of your website visitors to subscribe to your newsletters and other promotional materials such as catalogs and free promotions. Opt-in marketing uses your list of subscribers to send email to. These emails will contain the materials you will send to your subscribers. It is essential that you present your promotional items in a manner that will catch the interest and the eye of your subscribers to keep them wanting for more. The best way to do this is to provide fun, entertaining and informational articles. Well-written articles full of content and useful information will help in building your list, as more subscribers will be enticed to your list. When they have read the samples of your contents in your sites, they will be intrigued as to what will come next. Subscribing to your newsletter will offer them a glimpse of what you have to offer next. Many sites and companies have captured the importance of articles, and this also aids in search engine optimization. As more people are heading towards the internet for their information needs, serving the right information to them via articles in your site will increase the flow of your website traffic. With more traffic, the percentage of your sales will grow. More sales turn into more profit. There have been the rise for the importance of well-written, information-enriched and keyword-packed articles for the content of their site as well as for newsletters. These articles provide the information many are seeking in the internet. If your site has them, more people will be going to your site for information and research. Well-written articles would also boost your site's reputation. If they are filled with many information, you will be regarded as well-informed and an expert on the subjects that you tackle. Your articles must be well-researched so that the people will trust you. When you have gained their trust, they will always come for you for their needs on that subject. In connection, you must write articles or commission them to tackle subjects that are closely connected with your type of business. If you have a site for a medicine tackling a certain disease, your articles must be about the diseases. Or if you sell materials for home improvements, provide articles with those themes. Most articles searched for are tips, guidelines, methods, manuals and such. If you provide these articles to your customers and you have their trust, they will always go to your site for help and advice as well as for your products. With the loyalty of these customers, they may subscribe to your opt-in list to receive all the information you have. If you provide them with the answers for that need, they will be happy to be receiving your newsletters as well as other promotional materials to keep them well informed. Others may even forward your newsletters to other people when they find a certain article interesting. You should provide links in your newsletter so that when other people are reading it and wants to read more, they may click on the link and go to your site. With the articles you have in your site that are good, they may decide to sign up as well for your opt-in list. This will build your list and make it bigger. Make sure to keep your subscribers happy and interested in your newsletters and promotional materials. Keep on posting and writing good articles for your site and newsletter. If you are not interested in writing them, or if you just don't have the time, there are many available well-experienced and knowledgeable writers available to help you out. This is an investment that will pay. Thank you. I'm SL Mind saying goodbye to the hope of meeting with a program like this.